Hello students, good morning to all of you. As you know, we are studying the chapter accounting for partnership for fundamental, and in the previous study video, we have solved the illustration that is based on the adjustment entry in the place of the single entry. It means that you have to pass the separate journal entry for the each errors and the omission that has been occurred in the previous books of the accounts. And today we will solve the practical question number 68, that is based on the adjustment in the entry in the place of the single journal entry. Okay, so let's move to the questions. In this question, the capital of the PQR stood at 2 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000 and the 1 lakh respectively. After the necessary adjustment in the respect of the drawing and the net profit for the year ended 31st March 2019, it was subsequently ascertained that the interest on capital 10% was not taken into account while arriving at the divisible profit. यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में स्टूडेंट देखो हमको बता रहा है कि interest on capital at the rate of 10% was not taken into account while अराइविंग एट द डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट. जब डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट को कैलकुलेट किया गया तो वहाँ पे क्या ओमिशंस हो गया हमसे कि इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल को हमने प्रोवाइड नहीं किया, यानी कि जो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन अकाउंट में हम लोग इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल डेबिट साइड में लिखते हैं वो यहाँ पे इनसे छूट गया है. ठीक है, अब आगे क्वेश्चन देखते हैं. ड्राइंग्स ड्यूरिंग द ईयर 2018-19 had been P 5,000 per month and Q 15,000 quarterly and R 30,000. So the net profit for the year amounted 1,80,000 and the partners share the profit loss in the ratio 2 to 1. You are required to pass the journal entry to rectify the lapse in the accounting. So okay. तो ये हमारा क्वेश्चन है और हमें दो चीज़ें बताई गई हैं कि एक तो ड्राइंग के बारे में मेंशन कर रहा है और यहाँ पे इंटरेस्ट ऑन जो कैपिटल है वो हमसे ओमिशंस हो गया है. सो अब इसका इलस्ट्रेशन इसका सोल्यूशन कैसे होगा. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट बिकॉज the capital is given here, that is stood at the 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 1 lakh 50,000, 1 lakh respectively at the closing. This is the closing capital. So we have to first make for calculation of the interest on capital, we have to calculate the opening capital, because there has been also mentioned that the drawing has been made by the all the partners. So what was the opening balance of the capital to calculate the interest on capital. So first of all, so let's move to the question. तो क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट इस तरीके से. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल देयर इज द wrong appropriation of the profit, you can say the wrong distribution of profit. So we have to, because in this question we will solve the problem adjustment entry made for the each transaction, each errors and omission, because the profit has been not calculated in the right way. So we have to transfer this profit to the PL adjustment account. So we have to make the first debit, because this profit 1,80,000 has been credited in the previously in the partners capital account in the wrong proportion has been shared. तो यहाँ पे जो इनका प्रोपोर्शन है वो रॉन्ग कैलकुलेट हुआ और रॉन्ग शेयर हुआ, क्योंकि ये प्रॉफिट एक्चुअल में जो डिविजिबल प्रॉफिट है 1,80,000 ये रॉन्ग है कैलकुलेशन के थ्रू. तो हमें क्या करेंगे, तो जो रॉन्ग डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो गया उनको जब डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हुआ होगा तो उनके अकाउंट को यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया होगा, क्रेडिट कर दिया होगा. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रेक्टिफाई, सो वी विल मेक द डेबिट टू make the correction. So you have to debit all the partners capital accounts. So first of all we make the P's capital account will be debited with the 72,000, and this ratio 1,80,000 has been divided into 2 to 1. ओके, 2 to 1 की रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया गया है। तो 2 to 1 की रेशियो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे तो 72,000